Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Contemplating the Sun. So, what do we see here? Well, here we see an image taken back in 2012 of a solar eclipse. Now, a solar eclipse occurs when the sun, which is the crescent-shaped image we see here today, is blocked out by the moon. Now, you can have a total solar eclipse where the entire disk of the sun is blocked out, or you can have a partial solar eclipse where just a portion of it. And at this stage, we're only at a partial solar eclipse. Only a portion of the sun's disk is being blocked out. The black to the upper right is our moon, which is going to look dark because the illuminated face of the moon is pointing away from us. The eclipse occurs at new moon when the bright part of the moon is facing away, and the moon and the sun will be in the same general direction in the sky, and if they are lined up just right, an eclipse like this will occur. Now, another one is due very soon. In fact, on August the 12th, in just a few days, there will be another solar eclipse, which will be total for small parts of the world between Greenland and Portugal, and a lot of it over the Atlantic Ocean, of course, and will be partial for areas around that from the northeastern United States and Canada down into central portions of Europe. So a lot of areas will be able to see at least a partial eclipse depending on your exact location. Now, August 12th is also interesting because that is also around the peak of the Perseid meteor shower this year. So Perseid meteors are little bits of material that then strike Earth's atmosphere and vaporize, and we see them as meteors, sometimes called shooting stars. And the question now is, will there be any that can be seen during the time of the eclipse? Now, normally you cannot see a meteor during the day. The sun overly bright brightens up the sky, and the meteors are very rarely, only extreme cases, would be bright enough to be seen. It would take a very large object for that. The typical meteors that we see, small objects vaporizing in Earth's atmosphere, would never be visible during the day. However, if you're in the region of totality, then the sun is blocked out and that dims everything, making it darker. And it's possible that some brighter meteors would be able to be seen. So we'll wonder if anyone happens to get an image of that would be something very interesting and unusual, since you don't normally get meteors during the middle of the day, or at least that you could see. Here we see this image from 2012, and this was taken in Arizona in the United States, and the people out in the foreground were also observing this as the sun was right on the horizon, and the people therefore can be in silhouette against it as viewed from a distance with a telephoto lens on a camera. So that was our picture of the day, titled Contemplating the Sun. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.